Hello! Today I'm gonna show you two ways how can you impress your friends and relatives. First of them is magic trick with your finger. Do like this, use magic, finger disappeared. But if it didn't make impression, try this. 5 minutes apricot pie. Everybody loves it. So take all the ingredients and start cooking with me. These are ingredients we need today: eggs, sugar, flour, vanilla sugar, baking powder and apricots. Take a bowl and put there 4 eggs and add sugar and vanilla sugar. If you are Olympic champion in beating eggs, it will take you 1 minute, but if you're a usual person as I am, it will take you 2 minutes. Then we need to add flour and baking powder and continue mixing. It will also take you 2 minutes. While you're mixing our dough, think about something good, about your summer vacation or about your children. Right now you're on the halfway for the victory. Soon our pie will be ready. This is how our dough must look like before we put him to the baking form. Our baking form must be brushed with butter. Now add our dough to our form. Be creative, put apricots in some beautiful form and put it to the oven. "40 minutes later our pie is ready. It is easy and it is fast, but still it is very tasty. Enjoy! I'm sure cooking of this pie didn't take much time. Same, not much time will take you for like and subscribe this channel. Have a nice day!